What's going on, everybody? Chinedu here. In this video, I'm going to review Spencer Mecham's Affiliate Secrets 3.0, which he released in the past week. Before getting started, why don't you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also bang that bell so you get notified each time I drop a new video. I will leave a link in the comments below to how you can get Affiliate Secrets 3.0. Also, if you stay to the end of this video, I've got some cool bonuses if you buy the training. Now, Affiliate Secrets is considered the most complete training for affiliate marketing, especially at the price at which Spencer markets it. For me, it was instrumental in my success with affiliate. In 2018, when I first started, I struggled between March and September without seeing any results. And then I purchased Affiliate Secrets 2.0 when Spencer launched it. And by April 2019, I had qualified for the ClickFunnels Dream Car Contest. So it is a course I will recommend, and I can vouch that it is powerful and will give you results. Now, Spencer is one of the most successful affiliate marketers, 7 figures. He was the first to make $1 million in commissions with ClickFunnels affiliate program. He has won dream cars in many other programs, and is also one of the top affiliates for Legendary Marketer. So he knows his stuff, and it's one person I will vouch for. He's authentic, he's real, and an all-round nice guy. So let's dive into the main training. Affiliate Secrets comes in 2 sections. You have the main course and training, and there is a massive traffic edition, which I must say on its own is worth the full price of the course, because it is a very comprehensive training on traffic. So let's go into the main training. So in the main training section, Spencer starts with a big picture, which is an overview of affiliate marketing. And then you have these 9 modules: niche, products, lead magnets, landing pages, email marketing bonuses, JV launches, pro tip, access, and AdWords. Each of these modules has several lessons in each one, and you should take them step by step and implement as you go along. So, for example, niche, how do you find a niche? So that is a lesson there. How do you find products? One lesson. How do you create lead magnets? How do you build landing pages that will convert? So that has 5 lessons. And then email marketing, that comes again with several lessons on email marketing. That's a big training, about 16 lessons there. How do you create bonuses? And how do you make money from joint venture launches? And here there's a pro tip, access module, and AdWords. He has moved AdWords from the traffic section into the main training area. So you have all these modules, 9 of them, in the main section. And like I said, it's best to take it step by step, implement as you go along. That's the best way to use any course you buy. Take it step by step and implement as you go along. Don't wait until you finish and start implementing. Take it step at a time. And then we have the traffic edition, which I will get into. The traffic section is massive, and you get training in Facebook organic, which has come up in the last few years as a very powerful way to do affiliate marketing. You engage with people one-to-one on Messenger. You build relationships and implement through Messenger. So that's Facebook Organic, which has several lessons, as you can see, about 7 lessons on Facebook Organic marketing. YouTube is a massive one, how to use YouTube. Here, I think there are at least 20 plus lessons, 23 lessons on YouTube marketing. TikTok is a powerful platform which has come up in the last few years. It's very hot right now. Again, you have several lessons on how to build traffic, organic traffic using TikTok. About 10 lessons here. So again, very comprehensive training on how to use TikTok social media. You have training of how to use Facebook groups, about 12 lessons on how to use Facebook groups. And then blogging is a massive one, over 60 lessons on how to use blogging in your business. So massive training with blogging. So you can see the traffic section is very comprehensive, and each of these has templates you can use, implement, and start using in your business very quickly. So when you buy this training, complete the main training first, and then learn about traffic. That's the best way to use the training. So I will leave a link in the description below, in the comments below, on how to get this course, Affiliate Secrets 3.0. And like I said at the beginning of this video, I have some bonuses if you do get the training through the link I'll leave in the description below. So I've come to my blog to show you the bonuses when you buy this training. The first is unlimited. Let's go down. The first bonus you will receive is unlimited chat and email support from me. So I will help you as you build your business. You can contact me by email, by messenger, and I will help you as you build your business. You'll get this T5 mega software bundle for 6 months. There are 7 software here. Most of them are for, again, lead generation. And you have all this bundle, which is almost $13,000. You have this completely free for about 6 months. You will get a library of share funnels you can use in your business. Again, it's white labeled, which means you can use it in your own. You can use it as a bonus yourself in your business. Same as my list of recurring affiliate programs. Again, you can use this as a bonus, as a white label bonus in your business. There is a group convert, which is a Chrome extension to collect emails when people join your Facebook group. I'll give you the silver plan. You will get this bonus vault, which has about 40 different bonuses you can use. Again, you can give away as a bonus in your business. So that's bonus vault. You will get a copy of my ebook on affiliate marketing called 8 Simple Steps to Affiliate Marketing Wealth. You'll get that free. You'll get a white label affiliate marketing basic course. Again, you can use that as a bonus in your business. Same as the ClickFunnels mini course. Again, it's a basic course on how to use ClickFunnels. You can give away to people that are starting out with ClickFunnels. You have some email swipes. I have several email sequences you can modify and use in your business. So you get all these bonuses if you get Affiliate Secrets through the link, which I will drop in the description below. So I hope this video has been helpful. You can see this training and course Affiliate Secrets 3.0 is very robust and very comprehensive. It gives you everything you need to build an affiliate marketing business, and I can assure you I've gone through it. It is very comprehensive. It is very complete, and it is also up to date with all the new platforms like TikTok, Facebook organic marketing. Uh, it's very powerful. And like I said, I'll leave the links to the bonuses and to the training, the course itself, in the description below. Now, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Also, subscribe to my channel and bang that bell so you get notified when I launch my next video. Thank you once again for watching, and see you in the next one.